Hello viewers, welcome to Audio with 360. Yesterday I bought this Redmi 13 5G smartphone. Yesterday I have opened and checked it, but I want to show you the box content of this Redmi 13 5G smartphone. So it is made in India. MI is written 13 5G, Redmi 13 5G is there. Snapdragon 4th generation 2AE processor has been installed in this. So 108 megapixel dual camera is there inside. There are some awards received by Redmi. It is written here, and this is the packing details. If you want, you can pause the video and you go through this. So Redmi 13 5G Orchid Pink, 8GB RAM is built in and 128GB memory is there. So you can see the price is given here is 19,999 and the production date is 8th month of the 2024. Just a few months back this has been manufactured. So the box content is written here: mobile phone 1 unit, adapter 1 unit which is of 33 watts, and the USB Type-C cable is there, SIM ejecting tool, then quick start guide and warranty card, then protective case is there. Let's see whether this is there or not. So the seal has been opened yesterday. You can see this is the box, this is the quick start guide, and this is the case. Let's see the case here. So now I am opening. Previously I didn't open the case. So this is the brand new case. Transparent case is given in the box. So alright, now let's keep this. Let's take the smart device itself here. So you can see there is a switch over here, volume rockers to turn on and turn off, and this is the camera here, 108 megapixels. This is the round ring flashlight here. So this is Redmi 5G. Alright, now yesterday I just turned on, but I didn't install any SIM card or anything. Just I wanted to make a small video of this unboxing, that's it. So this is the charger. So this is of 33 watts which we get from the box. This is a USB socket here, Type A USB socket, 33 watts you can see here. And this is the Type A to Type C USB cable which is there inside the box as well. So alright, further there is nothing inside the box. I think the SIM ejecting tool will be there inside this box. Hopefully, yes, you can see this is the SIM ejecting tool. So this is the quick unboxing video of Redmi 13 5G smartphone. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to Audio with 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.